I'm trying to find the courage to speak to you behind the camera. Well, I think this is important, so I should do it.
What is going on? What is he talking about?
My name is Kelvin Carrington Tishana, and I'm a senior at Ashesi University in Ghana, studying electrical and electronics engineering. For a while, I've been working on a smart home system that's voice controlled and sometimes gesture controlled, using a voice assistant that I built from scratch, and all of that running on a Raspberry Pi.
Oh my god! Wow!
And it's a combination of multiple technologies, really, like Docker, the Ming IoT stack, Mosquito Influx DB, Node-RED, and Grafana for visualizations, MQTT for communication protocol, and being able to control devices and gadgets from your own phone. Um, yeah, pretty much that's what I've been working on. So Raspberry Pi actually noticed this, and they reached out to me here, and they would like to see a series on how I made this project come to life. So watch out for that, and your support will be very much appreciated. Here is a demo of how this thing works. Still work in progress though.
Welcome, my name is Mischief.
What is the weather like?
Temperature in Baracuso is 25.71 degrees Celsius and humidity is 89% with clear sky wind speed of 1.54 knots.
10 on the first fan.
I was wondering when you'd ask. Fan one on.
Turn on the light.
Light on.
Call my phone. Can you tell me something about Zimbabwe in 5 lines?
Zimbabwe is a landlocked country in southern Africa. It gained independence from British colonial rule in 1980. The official language is English and the currency is the Zimbabwean dollar. The country is known for its diversity of wildlife and natural landscapes, including Victoria Falls. Despite experiencing economic and political challenges, Zimbabwe remains a popular destination for
Turn off the light.
Light on.
Show me live security feed.
Server started.
Exit.
I did not get that.
Exit.
Goodbye, Mr. Tichana.